have the choice to work against your best interest, or you have the choice to actively promote justice. And this choice is present, whether your practice takes you to the apex of the most lucrative law firm in the country or to the most modest legal service provider organization. No matter where your career path takes you, you have the responsibility to put the research, the writing, the advocacy skills that you're learning in Evangeline Mitchell's Black Pre-Law Conference to struggle against injustice in society and reach back into the community to assist those who never made it out of the field. I would love for you to go into public interest law, but I would also love for you to be a judge. I would love for you to be a prosecutor. Oh yeah. I would love for you to be a legislator. I would love for you to be a partner in a huge law firm. Why? Because you might be that judge to finally set Sundiata Akoli free, or Mumia Abu Jamal, or Bushel McGee. You might be that prosecutor who uses her discretion wisely. You might be that legislator to abolish mandatory minimum sentences. You might be that governor to grant clemency to Assata Shakur. You might be that law firm partner who finances the posting of bail for any Black Lives Matter protesters to get out of jail.